Welcome back to Thoughtful Savvy Mom Curly Chat. In today's video, I am sharing with you my part 2 of my hair makeover. I will share with you a quick video clip of my hair before I used Not Your Mother's, and it really has made a big difference. Wait till the end, you will see what I am talking about. If you are new to my channel, I would love for you to subscribe. If you are looking for some curly girl, wavy girl inspiration, this is your channel. Please subscribe, hit that red bell, get your notifications. Most likely, my videos will premiere on Saturdays. All right, so I am putting a timer on my watch for 3 minutes. I'm doing 2.5 minutes with the medium heat, or I guess low heat. And I'm doing 30 seconds with the cool. All right, so I am diffusing my hair. I have not done this for years and years, but it really has made a difference on my curl and just the health of my hair, not leaving it wet for so many hours. And I'm just going to set it here to dry. It takes about a good 20 minutes to dry, sometimes a little less. When I do my curl refresh, where I don't wash my hair, but I just kind of reset it, that took me about 20 minutes. But when the hair is wet from a shower, it may take a little longer. I'm still getting used to it. I would say somewhere between 20 and 30 minutes for my short hair. All right, so my hair is dry, and now as you can see, I have a cast, and I'm just going to scrunch my hair, kind of break that cast a little bit. Back. I gotta figure out how to style this front because it's kind of all over the place. I did get the center line here, tried to avoid it, but it formed on its own. So I have bangs. So I don't have bangs, but I do like, I don't know, what would that look like? I have shorter hair, but maybe not. But I don't like the way it partitioned here, but that has nothing to do with the product that I used today. Okay, going to see if I can mold it. All right, overall, I am really liking my hair. I'm going to do a little turnaround so you can see. I think my hair looks really healthy. It's going to bounce back. I like my definition of my hair. I really like this side. I love the way the hair came out right here. But yeah, I'm really happy with Not Your Mother's Curl Talk. I'm really excited. I feel like a new person. I really like my hair. All right, friends, I am so excited. I'm so happy that I filmed this because I am over the moon with the results of today's hair. I was wanting a big drastic change, but I was a little hesitant just because my hair is so dry. But I really love the way it turned out. I know that I added some new techniques to my hair, which was doing section by section, using the Denman brush, and using new products. So I really love Not Your Mother's Curl Talk. Really love my hair. So there it is. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you subscribe. Share this video with your curly girls that you know, mom, sister, friends, neighbors. Share it. And I will see you on my next video at 10:30 a.m. I will be live in the chat. So I look forward to seeing you there. And with all that said, thank you for watching, and I will see you soon.